All right. Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be working on another system. What exactly are we doing today? We have two challenges with the system. It's an HP system. It's one of those new systems, those slim systems. That's the Hinges problem and the screen issue. The screen is bad. We have asked for the purchase. We have ordered for the screen. This is for another system. This is a new screen ordered for. It's a new screen that we requested for. So that we received. This is a new screen. And then here is the old one. Here is the old screen. So we are going to substituting this with this. So we have removed it already. So all we need to do is just to remove this gum, this this gum behind to stick it to the screen, to the casing. This is a screwless paper like 15.6 inches screen. Call it paper because it's flat. So it's a very slim screen, very beautiful one, and it has a small port. The small ports for the flex. Now, I think it would be good we work on the hinges first. This is the broken hinges. Yeah, I think we have done. We have a video already on hinges. If you have not watched it, you can check our videos, check our page, our YouTube channel at Nitty-Gritty Electronics Repairs. You see some of our videos there, and then you can like them, comment on them, and subscribe if you are new. If you are not a member yet, if you are not a subscriber, so please subscribe to our channel. So let's move to the business of the day. So somebody has done something before. You can see some bad job around here at the edge here. I think some 4-minute gum has been used, which is not professional. Very bad job. If it needs an adjustment, or it needs some little retouch, it's always very difficult attending to such issues. So we're going to be engaging this, and then the issue will be resolved. We're going to glue this now and fix the screen afterwards. Okay, so what do? Engage our workstation. Engage the workstation, take it to the highest speed and the highest heats, highest temperature. And once it's heated up, we'll melt this. You can see that it's already melting. It's melting. See, it's already getting melted. Let me remove this this impurity. It's an alien body to this gum. So I'm going to get this heated up, heated up, heated up. Once we get the quantity we need, we'll just quickly engage it here. Engage it on the hinges. Engage it here. So we'll apply the heat some more to melt that to get it molten. The more, as soon as we achieve that, then we can align it. Then you need to be careful around the plastic so that it won't get the plastic deformed. Need to achieve that. So almost. Just want to let it have some very good union with the kissing. Have a very good union. Once you're able to achieve this, screen is better. So we'll just allow it to cool off. Just allow it to cool off. And that settles it. Trying to create space for the screen to stay, because here screen may not lap very well with all the glue. So one is so two jobs at the same time, two issues on the system at the same time. The hinges, broken one-sided broken hinges, and then the screen replacement. So we are doing the two at the same time. So we needed to just handle that of the hinges first, because according to the client, that was what broke the screen. That was what caused the damage to the screen that we are replacing, and the screen is very expensive right now. It's on the very high side considering the high price of commodities, of items around the nation. So we are waiting for it to cool off before we begin to flip it. Doesn't take too much time. It only takes some time, just some few time to cool off and harden. Once it is hardened and we see that it is set, we just put in the screen. All right, I think it's better. So allow it to just cool off right now before we start flipping. Let it get properly set. On the surface, is beginning to get cool, as in, cooled off. The temperature is reduced from the surface, but internally that's a high temperature. The temperature is still high. So now we are unveiling the new screen. It has it has its nylon that I may not like to open now. It might do the work of reducing the intensity of light, the intensity of that backlight. So we'll be transferring all of this. We'll transfer this to this screen so that can engage it and use it to fix the new one. It's very easy. It's what anybody can do once you have the mindset. It's what anybody can do. There's no big deal in this, in what we are doing. Somebody was asking me in one of my videos, said, what can you do? What what can you do when you're afraid? There are so many things you cannot do when you're afraid. Or what can you not do when you're afraid? There are so many things that you cannot do when you're afraid. When you are scared, will they shock me? Will I damage things? Will they, it's just it's all about the mind. Once your mind is set, you are determined to get some things done, you are good to go. You don't have problem. Just put your mind in what you are doing, and then you discover that you are you are good to go. So I'm trying to get all of this positioned. I think the hot glow is already, it's better now. So now, before putting in this new screen, very important, the battery has to be disengaged. So because there's always voltage at this battery flex. So quickly access the battery. Quickly access the battery. Remove the battery terminal. Battery plug. If it is the one that has plug. If it is just the terminal that has, then we'll remove it. We'll remove the plug, then, or we remove the entire battery if it doesn't have a plug. Okay. Very important. If you don't do this, you might end up damaging the new screen, getting the new screen burns, which is unprofessional. That's a technical blunder for anybody to have done that. Fix the screen without removing the battery. It requires a serious concentration. All right, now that the battery has been unplugged from the main board, so we'll try fixing the new screen now. Position it, plug the flex, because we couldn't have plugged the flex the other time without removing the batteries. So that has been done. So trying to position the screen, fix it in its place such that the gum behind will stick to the plastic casing, stick to the frame. It seems like it's not lapping as it should, and the gum is not effective anymore. It's like the gum is not really so I think I'll need to, let me see if I can engage the workstation. All right. Wow. Wow, it's working now. It's actually working. It's working because the workstation, it just got it heated and reactivated the gummy nature of that rubber-like stuff behind the screen, and it's sticking to the screen again with the application of the heat from the workstation. Wow, this is wonderful. I just thought of using that and it's working. Sometimes it's common sense when we do some things It's just common sense and it's working. So let's see if it will get, glued to the case, to the back casing of the system. All right. Wow. It's better than before. This is good. Okay. I think the, the gum we use fixing the hinges is hindering the lapping of the screen properly, so we need to cut off some. So, and that's what I'm doing right now, trying to cut off some of those gum. I think it's strong, so we need to use some heats, apply some heat to it to soften it and make it removable. I think some of them is being removed at the moment so that the screen can properly lap, that there won't be gap behind the screen that can create some, you know, damage to the screen again subsequently. All right, I think it's better now. Wow, it's better. Okay, it's good. So that's okay. So all we just need to do is just to put the top casing to cover the screen, which is being done right now, and the broken part of the hinges, plastic broken parts that needs to be added, that will be later. Our ultimate work right now is to fix the screen and get the casing well clipped. Wow, now the screen is flipping normally. So I just need to add to fix the battery back right now, just to return the battery screw, return back the screws, then power on the system. I haven't done that. Okay. All right, let's test the screen now and see if it powers, if it comes on. Let's see if it comes on. Does it have a charge? Does the battery have some charge, or we need to put some, add as in introduce the charging, the charger? Okay, yeah, the screen it comes on right now. Okay, screen is up. And let's power it on again. Okay, now screen is up. All right, the indicator is on. Right, that's good. Finally, it's up. No more flickering. Now it's on. This is our ultimate goal. Changing the screen, then testing if it works after the substitution. So if this video has added to you, please we like for you to subscribe to our channel. Just in case you are new, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, comment, as that will help our visibility in the YouTube world. And if you are not new, you have been around watching our videos, we still need your likes and comments also. Encourage us, share our videos, and let it go viral. Thank you, and see you in the next video.